CS6364 is a 4-prong locking female connector assembly. The prongs are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this has no electrical connectivity, it just acts as a guide. It is rated for up to 50 amps at both 125 and 250 volts. It has a weather-tight seal and strain relief construction, and is compatible with SJ, SO, and ST jacket types. It is most often installed with a 6-4 cable at 6 gauge, 4 conductors. But it can also be installed with 10-4 or 8-4. CS6364 connects with CS6365, also known as NEMA SS250P. The only difference is the hole in the center, so that this fits in. And they just connect like so, with a twist, and it locks. CS6364 is most often used with RVs, shore power, emergency power, and industrial power.